Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the October edition of Glossybox. So if you already know everything there is to know about this box and you just want to skip ahead to the items inside, then as usual I will leave a timestamp in the comments section down below, so feel free to skip ahead if that's what you want to do. But if you don't know what Glossybox is, then I'm going to give a brief little description here, but I will also leave all of the more detailed information in the description box down below so that you can check that out at your own leisure. So Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription service. It comes in at around, I think they've just changed the pricing of it, so I'm a bit unsure, but as I said, I'll leave everything down below. But it used to be £10 a box plus £3.95 postage and packaging, and I think now what they've done is they've included the postage and packaging within the price. I don't know whether it's any less or more, but I know if you take out a 12-month subscription, which is what I've got, then it comes in at £11.75 a month, and as I said, that shipping cost is now included in the price. It used to be on top of. I'm not sure what they've done, but anyway, as I said, proper information down below. This box usually contains 5 items ranging from skincare, makeup to hair care and beauty tools, and the value of the box is about £50 or more. So without further ado, let's get into this beautiful box. This is just so pretty. This is a box that I'm definitely going to keep. Normally I would get rid of the boxes, including the special edition boxes, but this is definitely a box that's going to get treasured. So let's just open it up. Inside the box there is usually a card that tells us everything we need to know about the items inside, so we'll be referring to this as we go through the items in the box, and there's usually a little bit about the edit as well, so we'll just get into that. So, oh, this is a bit of a lengthy one. In a land ruled by enchanting spirits, the beauty tales and mystical folklore revered as holding the secrets to eternal beauty and youth were shared far and wide across Glossitania. One day though, invaders conquered the land and dismissed these stories as midnight fantasy. They forbade individuals from writing or sharing them, but one brave Glossy did. Uncovered thousands of years later in Glossy archives, we're bringing those magical tricks back to life with bewitching products that enhance your beauty. Filled with 5 entrancing glotions and potions, you can use the concoctions inside this edit to brew supernatural recipes that relax and soothe your mind. Prepare elixirs that transform the look and feel of your skin and create spellbinding guises that enthrall and ensnare. Wow, that sounds amazing. So there were 2 versions of this box. So obviously we've got the Enchanted Spirit, which is the one I've got, and then there was the Midnight Fantasy. There were a couple of variations between the 2 boxes. I'm not entirely sure what they are, but I know that there are a couple of little variations here and there. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. So when we open it up, this is what we look like inside. I'm just going to catch that before that falls out. So that's that. And it's just such a pretty colour. Purple is like my favourite colour, so this box is just hitting all the right spots for me this month. So the thing that nearly fell out, we're going to pull this out now. So this is from the Beauty Crop. I love the packaging on this. Matches the box, which I think is deliberate. So this is the Stargazing Blush Duo. I think this was the sneak peek from last month's box. I've missed a few uploads of these. I think I've missed the last 2. I've just been super busy, so I just haven't got around to filming them. But hopefully I'm back on it now. And that's the inner packaging, which is also quite pretty. Am I doing this the right way? Yeah. This does not want to open. Is there a trick to this? Ah, got it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. That looks very pretty. It is a little bit shimmery, which isn't usually my thing, but I just think that looks so pretty. It's definitely pleasing to the eye. Let's just shuffle forward a bit and give it a bit of a swatch. So we've got the, looks like a bronzer and a blush. So we've got bronzer, blusher, and that is what we look like on the fingers. And then, oops, bring that in a little, smooth that out. Okay, so yeah, that is definitely a little bit shimmery, which isn't normally what I would go for, but that is really pretty actually. I might actually give that a go. Let's see what the little card says. So the Stargazing Blush Duo has an RRP of £18. Get ready to create spellbinding looks thanks to this duo of blushes. Combining a matte hue with a shimmery shade, these velvety smooth pressed powders can be mixed and matched to create your desired entrancing effect. Sweep the matte formula onto the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush of colour, or apply the dazzling shade for a lit from within glow. So yeah, I would have said, to be fair, for me both of those shades are quite shimmery. I don't see matte in here, but maybe that's just me. But anyway, it's quite pretty. It's not something that I would normally gravitate towards, as I've said, but I'll give it a go. So that's the first item. Next we have something from Bubble Tea, and I do love a bit of bubble tea, so this is great to see, for me anyway. And this is the Fairy Dust Foaming Bath Powder in Lavender. Now I know some people actually have a bit of a thing against lavender, but I actually don't mind it, so this is again great for me. Let's see what the card says. So the Stardust Foaming Bath Powder has an RRP of £5.99. Create a mood boosting concoction to bathe in thanks to this mystical stardust. Its uplifting rose scent, nope, that definitely says lavender, will not only make you smell great but feel fabulous too. Simply sprinkle the foaming powder into a warm bath whilst the water is still running, then slip into your potion to absorb its invigorating powers. That all sounds great. I'm assuming that it's going to be similar blurb for the lavender one, but I'm actually starting to wonder if they've maybe put the wrong card into my box. It's looking likely. But yeah, that blush duo was definitely shimmery, no matte, and this is definitely lavender and not rose. And I apologise for whoever's dog that is going mental right now. But anyway, that's that. So moving on to the next item. We've got Ilamasca, and this is the Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. Is this the primer? I think this might be the primer. If it is, I'm not going to open this because I currently have two of these in, I think, the exact same size that are still unopened, so that would be a bit pointless. But I'll just show you the little inner tub. So cute though. It's very cute packaging. I definitely appreciate the packaging. The card says that the RRP on this is worth £10. This is the deluxe mini at 7ml. If you wanted to buy the full size at 30ml, this would be £34. Part hydrator, part primer, Hydra Veil instantly hydrates and smooths skin through a self-leveling futuristic clear gel. Microalgae, vitamin C and B3 work together to help maintain your skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy looking balanced finish. Plant extracts also provide a calming and refreshing feeling, leaving skin fully prepped to apply your chosen foundation. So yeah, I've definitely got at least one of these. I'm sure I've got two, so I'm just going to pop that back in the box. I might actually give this away. So we'll move on to the next item, and that is something from AHC. I don't know this brand, so we're definitely going to have to read the card for more info. But this is the Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. So is it an eye cream or okay. So it says concentrated eye cream for the whole face. Then just tell me it's a face cream. Okay, I'm going to read the card and find out what's going on here. Okay, so this is Also a deluxe mini. This is 10ml and worth £8.66. The full size at 30ml has an RRP of £26. The Elixir of Youth, this face cream has all the benefits of a concentrated eye cream, so it's a face cream. Just call it a face cream. But can be used on your whole face. Brewed with peptides and vitamins, this lightweight gel balances out the texture of your skin, providing intense hydration and making it firmer after just one use. That's a claim right there. Apply a thin layer before bed and you'll wake up with beautiful, youthful skin. It will seem like sorcery. I doubt that. I'm willing to give that a try because that sounds fantastic. Yeah, I think that might be a little bit of a fairy tale. Definitely in keeping with the theme, but not when it's trying to tell you that a product's going to do something that it's not. That's just lying. Maybe it's not though. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's actually going to do all of those wonderful things. But yeah, that's the fourth item. And number 5 is a lipstick from Luna by Luna. This is again another brand I've not heard of, but I do like the packaging, quite in keeping with the theme again. And this is a Pixie lipstick. Is that the shade? Or is that something else entirely? Oh. So I've just opened it up and I've already got that on the side of the lipstick, which is a little bit unnerving. That's just... However, the lipstick itself seems to be okay, so that's good. That's what we look like. We look pretty pristine there. It's just whatever's going on here, which is a little bit weird considering it was in a box. But anyway, that is looking very pink. So I'm just gonna pop that on here. That is a little bit pink. That's not really my shade. Yeah, not keen on that, gotta be honest. But I might give it a try just to see how it actually looks on the lips, but just sort of first impressions, that's a bit not very me at all, which is unfortunate, but this is what happens with subscription boxes. You don't always get everything that you want. So that was the last of the products that are in the card, but I also spy a little freebie. So we've got a Cadbury's dark milk, which I've heard of but I've never actually tried. So this is both rich and creamy original, and that is definitely going down my throat once I've finished filming. So thank you very much, Glossybox. So that was all of the items in this month's Glossybox. Just do a quick recap. So we've got the blusher duo from the Beauty Crap. We've got the Bubble Tea Fairy Dust in lavender, not rose. We've got the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. We've got the IHC Wonder Cream, otherwise known as the Essential Real Eye Cream for face. And we've got the Luna by Luna lipstick in the shade Pixie, and we've also got the little freebie chocolate. So all in all, I don't think this is a bad box. The biggest hit for me is definitely the Bubble Tea Fairy Dust Bath Powder. Lipstick, not really my thing. Blusher duo, not really my thing, but out of the two products I'm probably more interested in trying the blush duo over the lipstick. The cream, we'll see, time will tell. Apparently one night will tell. And then the primer, as I said, I've already got 2. I haven't even used those yet, so I don't know how I feel about that. So this isn't a great box for me, but I can see that for quite a few people this would be a brilliant box. So those are my thoughts. So now it's over to you guys. What do you think of this month's box? Has this been a hit for you, or has this been a complete miss? I think this box is sold out now actually, so if you signed up now you wouldn't actually be able to get this box. You would be signing up for next month's box, the November box. But have the items that I've shown you today tempted you to subscribe to future glossy boxes? Just let me know in the comments down below. I'm always interested to hear other people's thoughts and opinions. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you could leave me a thumbs up. It just helps to let me know that you're enjoying my content. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and this style of video is something that you enjoy seeing, then maybe you'd consider hitting that subscribe button too. I do a few unboxing videos. I also do beauty purchases videos, empties videos, the occasional project pan video when I've got time to film it. So if that sounds like content you're interested in watching, I would definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. And with all of that being said, I hope everyone's doing okay at the moment, and I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.